Alright, so today we have the Denso spark plugs. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to install them without removing the intake manifold. So, first things first, remove your cover, and we need to gap them first. So, let me gap them and let me show you how to gap them. Alright, this is your spark plug here, right there. Alright, now in order to get the right gap, you're going to need one of these little things here. Now you're going to use 0.020 is what it's recommended. So basically it's like right at the beginning. So when you put it, be very careful. You insert it and you slowly slide up. So this one, as you can see, is all the way to 0.28. So they want 0.20. So in order to get their 0.20, you're gonna do some slight love taps is what I call it. Alright, let's check that one out. So you bring your tool. Alright, 0.20, you insert, and you move. Alright guys, now we're gonna do the easy side first. These are fairly easy, as you can see. Simple. You got your 10 millimeter. All I gotta do is put it in there. Remove. Same thing here. Right here. Remove. Right here. Remove. Let's get that out the way. Alright, so I removed this one here already, which was right here. Now, the small connector has these two little small, this right here and this right here. You're gonna grab those and pull it out, and that should release it, and then simply pull. There it is. Now you simply pull up, and there it is. Try not to bend it much so you won't damage it. Bam. That's one. Now I did buy you're gonna need this as well, a magnetic, right, with the little swivel. It's a lot easier to get into. So let me go get that. Alright, so I got the first one out, right? Like I said, you're gonna need a swivel that is magnetic, so you don't run into issues. So simply just get it out, and let's put the second one. Alright, now put the old spark plug back on. Right. Make sure you get it hand tight, not too tight. There it is. the next one. Alright, now I can put the coil boot back on. Simple. Coil boot back on. Hand tight. Plug. Alright, simple plug. Clicks and then push this little pin back in. That secures it, that's it, and that's what you're gonna do for all three. I'm gonna go ahead and do these myself and then we'll move to the hard one. Alright, now, in order to get this first one out, right, you're gonna need a little elbow, okay? And once you get it to spin, right, once you get it to spin, you can go ahead and do it by hand. Once you get that one loose, you won't have any room, so you're able to do it by hand after that. And by hand, I mean just putting the 10mm in there and simply spinning it. Till it comes out. Alright, now, got that one taken off, but I'm gonna leave it open just to get more wiggle room to get into that one. But first, I'm gonna do this one down here, back here. Now, which is this one right here. Now, in order for you to get this one, it's easier you do it from this angle with the swivel as well. So you go in here, lock in, and simply remove. Right there. Here. Just grab it with your hand and remove, and it comes straight out. Now, the boot is off. Right? Simply drop in and remove. Alright, now I left that coil boot off and that one off as well, just in case I needed more wiggle room. But you can see with the elbow I'm able to get to the screw that I need to remove. Right now, once you just simply set it loose, give me a second. Now that it's loose, right, just twist and remove the screw. Now, once you remove the screw, is out, right? So the coil boot is going to be like this, right, in this section right here, like that. So when you pull it out, you're going to pull up slightly till it releases this little gap, and then you're going to twist slowly. Don't bend too much this section. Once you get up high enough room to twist down, just twist down, and it comes right out through here. All right, and it's out. All right, now to remove the spark plug. You're gonna need this. Your swivel with the magnet, right? This is one piece. This is one piece. Then you'll need an elbow. Also, you put this one here, right? And then another extension. So it'll look like this. Right? Okay. So it's right there. You see it? Let me see if I get it close in there. Now this simply drops in there. Wait, let me remove all the attachments. Give me one sec. So you put is in here, and it drops there, right? Make sure it clicks. It locks in there. There it is. Now, get your extension. There it is. And that is what it should look like. Now let me get it loose. Remember, that's the one under the manifold. Alright, now that you got it loose, simple, bring it out. And that's how you remove the spark plug without removing the whole entire manifold. Now, you simply need to put it back in, the new one. Alright, that kind of hit. Make sure it's twisted a little bit, and if once it tightens, if you can't pull it out, you pull it and it's not there, that means it's tightening. So, now just get back in there. And keep it going. Alright, now to put the coil boot back on. I already put the spark plug. You need to go through here. Right? In an angle. Now once you get here, you're going to want to push down with your finger. Doesn't have no place to place the camera. Here. There. You want to push, right? Slowly. As you can see, it's just going in, and just simply continue the process till it clicks. Alright, once I pushed it all the way in, here, just make sure you turn it to where it's supposed to go. And that's it. There it is. Just start putting everything back together. Just make sure you tie all the screws. Put everything back together. And you're good.